Welcome to Learn English with Alex and Maria, Part 2, How to use each and every in a sentence. Hey Maria, I always get confused about when to use each and every in a sentence. Can you help me out? Of course. Alex, both each and every refer to all the members of a group, but they are used slightly differently. Let me give you some examples. Each is used when you are thinking about the members of a group individually. For instance, each student has a unique project. I see. So it emphasizes individuality. How about every? Exactly. Every is used when you are thinking about all the members of a group collectively. For example, every student needs to submit their project by Friday. It emphasizes the group as a whole. Got it. Can you give me another example with each? Sure. Each player on the team wore different colored jersey. Here, each is highlighting the individual players. That makes sense. And for every? Okay. Another example with every would be every seat in the theater was taken. This suggests that all the seats were occupied. Focus on the whole group. That's really helpful. Each is for individual attention and every is for the whole group, right? Exactly. Another tip. Each is often used when there are two or more items, and every is used when there are three or more. Like each of the two options is viable and every member of the team contributed. Thanks, Maria. I think I understand it much better now. No problem, Alex. Just remember those little differences and you will be using each and every correctly in no time. Don't forget to subscribe English Company to learn English communication.